Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the least used app in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Play Store. And now just click on your Google account icon, and now just click on this manage apps and devices. Now on the above you will see here manage option, just click on it. Now here you will see recently updated option. Now just click on this three horizontal lines. Now here you will see list used option, so just select it. And now you will see here the most least used app. Here in my case is this respective application, so in your case it might be different. So this is how you can find out the least used app in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.